heads. So you just have to tune into that season in Audible. It's People Who Matter by Bhargavi or People Who Matter podcast. You'll get it there. Okay. Funny story. I started as a one-woman team. So People Who Matter podcast was started in 2018 November. And this was really one of those times when my mind was autopilot again. Like I had no clue what was happening. I couldn't make one day different from the other. Every day was the same. The problems were same, the struggles were same, the threats were same, and the opportunities were same. And I was extremely bored with what I was doing. Clearly, I mean, that's a simple and plain answer. I love my company. I love what it's given to me, and I would continue developing it. But there can't be any entrepreneur who's been 10 years in the business of the same organization who doesn't wake up and say, oh my God, today what different? I need to do something. Innovation is literally a cry for help sometimes from the tedious, monotonous life that you lead. That's what innovation comes from. Sometimes it's necessity. I totally agree that, if there's a lack of something, then innovation comes. But in my case, innovation has always come when life's monotony has hit me. And that's literally the story of podcast as well. So I used to listen to podcasts when I was holidaying in my sister's place in US. And that is a mature market where podcasts were already available. I mean, fun fact, podcasts have been in the world for the last 17 years. That's a fun fact. Yeah. In India, we know about the word podcast hardly in the last 1 to 2 years. And even in India, there have been podcasters who've been doing work since 2015, 2016. So it's not an extremely new thing. It's just that nobody knows about it. Awareness has always been less about the podcast space. So I'm very thankful to podcasters like you as well, who are making an effort, trying to spread the message of the tribe, as I say. So it's good. More power to tribes like us. But coming back to People Who Matter. So it started as a one-woman army. I had my Apple Mac. I had a GarageBand software to edit and record. I was working in an office space which actually had the equipment and nobody knew how to use it, which was the best part. So I was in a co-working of sorts in a financial international bank. I can't say the name. But it was an international bank space where mostly fintech, technology, and other service providers were sitting. And so we were one of them who got integrated into their system as the HR service providers. And we were trying to find a foothold in Mumbai city. And Mumbai is a very hard place to get a hold of, and address is everything in Mumbai, especially when it comes to business. So it doesn't matter. Like other cities, it really doesn't matter. In Mumbai and Delhi, it's a very important thing. Where you live is pretty much defines who you are and what your business is. So we were lucky that we got invited into this place, which is in Lower Parel, Peninsula Business Park. And we were like, okay, fantastic, 5-star address. We have arrived. And then we arrived. And of course, we made some great business partners, great clients who are still clients of ours today. But it kind of put you back in that, that autopilot, what next mood. And this space had it had a soundproof room of sorts, which was not soundproof. According to them, it was. And there was some equipment and stuff which was stashed away, which was like a mic, there were headphones, some basic recording gear. And I was just, taking a call one of those days and I was twiddling my thumb and I'm like, oh my God, look at this place. It actually has like foam. Oh my God, this actually has like some noise. So, the media, the creative Kida in me, it suddenly was like alive and kicking like, oh my God, what is this space? First time I'm looking at it. I've stared at the same wall for 8 months and I didn't realize that until that one aha moment, the eureka moment that came to me. And then I was like, oh, okay, this is a fantastic space. I must use it. And that's how my journey into podcasting started. So before People Who Matter, I did a radio show for a friend's company, which is an international music company based in Kerala. And these guys they help indie artists to be found. And they were looking for a radio show. It was actually going to be a radio show. And they wanted it to be continuous for a period of 5-6 months. And I was just like randomly anyway bored and reaching out, and I constantly keep in touch with what's happening in the creative scene. So when I heard it's a startup, so it ticks all my boxes. It was like startup, it was tech driven, it was music, which I love. So I'm like, oh, perfect. I mean, and they approached me. So I was like, why not? Let's like do something for you. So I made a travel show for them from a 2x2 room, which took people around the world just with me sitting in my studio. It was super fun. I used to record it after my office hours. So it was after 7:38 in the night. I would stay back in the office, do my show for 1 hour. And then I would like carry on with the rest of my night. So in Bombay, even 9 o'clock is known as evening. It is still, oh, how's your evening going, right? So it's not, and what was in Bangalore, like, okay, good night. Sorry, we disturbed you at 9 p.m. And you're like, what are you saying? I'm out. I'm like, I'm having on evening now. So yeah, basically, so the culture helped that Bombay sleeps late. So it was good for me. So anyway, my meeting, my social life would start after 1 more hour. So I had that time to, fill it up with a radio show. It was called Escape with Bhargavi. It's still available as a podcast. Yeah, so you should go check it out. It's real fun. I had super fun making it. So that was like my practice test.
Mm-hmm.
Like after 6 years, I was back on a mic. It took. I didn't do any voiceovers. I didn't do any films in that 6 year period. And so
Mm-hmm.
for me, I had to relearn everything, like my voice modulation, volume, editing. How fast could I do it? How slow am I at it? So these
Mm-hmm.
things were very important for me to pick up again. So I think the show really helped me experiment. Once I got done with this, I'm like, okay, I can launch a podcast. Like this is not bad. I've done this. So I did it for 6 months with the radio show. And then I was like, November 2018, I was like, let's start a podcast. I did my research on how to start up. We had literally no material about it in India. And everything that I know, even today, a lot of material that you have is all US oriented or Dubai oriented. You don't have indigenous Indian material for it. So
Mm-hmm.
here's where I'm plugging in another marketing thing, which I'm now famous for. I have recently authored a book, which is like a beginner's guide to podcasting. So
Wow.
it is going to be published in a month and soon it'll be available to everyone. So it's from an Indian perspective and it's from a first person account. So all my mistakes, my journey, and all the good things that happen, all the bad things that happen that you can avoid as a podcaster and use
Mm-hmm.
podcasting to earn money as well. I think that is the aim of the book. Not just take it up as
Oh.
a hobby, but please make
Mm-hmm.
it as a skill that you can, monetize out of. I think today that's very important. If people are
Mm-hmm.
spending any kind of time, even on TikTok, they're looking to become influencers and they're looking to earn some money out of it. So anyone,
Mm-hmm.
anywhere, of course, we believe in a social cause. We want to provide the messaging for free, but I think you will only stick your neck out in the game if there's some monetary value attached to it. So hence, I think podcasting is the next big thing. Audio is the next big thing, guys. Clubhouse is here. I don't have to say more.
Maybe.
So people are really, even the elitist people are now going back to saying, oh my God, I'm on Clubhouse. It's so cool. I'm invited to a private room. And you're like, haha, welcome back to audio. Good for podcasters, right, guys. So I'm really happy. And it's the age of audio for sure.